we prepared 100 paper bags for the experiment. The paper bags contained wrapped gifts with GPS devices put inside and placed on board 100 subway cars on Seoul Subway Line 1. We wondered, how many paper bags were going to be returned? How honest will people be? On this day, we witnessed embarrassing moments conflicting with this belief. One by one, the bags were removed from the subway cars. The day had passed, and the 100 subway cars had returned to the final station. How many of the bags returned untaken? Unfortunately, we learned that only 6 out of the 100 paper bags had been left untaken. It was a disappointing result. However, the next day, we were amazed to discover from the GPS data all bags were gathered together. Guess what happened? That 81 bags were returned to the Lost and Found Center. 87 cases of honesty. What have we learned about ourselves? What have you learned about yourself? We are honest. You are honest.